Welcome to TechThrills. Today we dive into the fascinating world of robotics innovations. From industrial automation to healthcare, robotics is transforming the way we live and work. Let's explore some of the most groundbreaking advancements in this field. Our journey begins in the fascinating realm of industrial automation, a field that has revolutionized the way we produce goods and manage manufacturing processes. Robots have become integral to manufacturing processes, enhancing efficiency and precision. These mechanical marvels tirelessly perform repetitive tasks with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities, ensuring consistent quality and reducing the margin for error. One notable innovation in this field is the development of collaborative robots or cobots. Unlike traditional industrial robots that operate in isolation, cobots are designed to work alongside humans, sharing the workspace and tasks. Cobots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI, allowing them to understand and adapt to their environment. These sensors enable cobots to detect human presence and movements, ensuring a safe and efficient collaboration. This advanced technology enables cobots to perform a variety of tasks, such as assembly, welding, and painting with unprecedented accuracy. The precision with which these robots operate not only improves the quality of the final product, but also speeds up the production process. High-precision robotics have become a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, allowing for the creation of complex and intricate products that would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve manually. The accuracy of robotic assembly ensures that each component is placed perfectly, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Cobots enhance productivity while ensuring safety by detecting and responding to human presence. They are programmed to slow down or stop if a human comes too close, preventing accidents and creating a safer working environment. This blend of human-robot collaboration is paving the way for a new era in industrial automation, where efficiency and safety go hand in hand. Next, we turn to healthcare, where robots are revolutionizing patient care and medical procedures. Surgical robots like the Da Vinci system allow for minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision. These robots provide surgeons with enhanced dexterity and control, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. Additionally, robots like exoskeletons aid in physical rehabilitation, helping patients regain mobility. In the service industry, robots are making their mark in various roles, from hospitality to customer service. These advanced machines are designed to assist humans in a variety of tasks, ensuring efficiency and enhancing the overall experience for customers. Whether it's in a bustling hotel lobby or a quiet corner of a restaurant, service robots are becoming an integral part of the workforce. Service robots like Pepper and Sophia interact with customers, providing information and assistance. Pepper, with its friendly demeanor and ability to recognize faces, can greet guests, answer their questions, and even provide directions. Sophia, on the other hand, is known for her advanced conversational skills and can engage in meaningful dialogues with customers, making them feel valued and understood. Equipped with natural language processing and AI, these robots understand and respond to human queries, enhancing the customer experience. They can process complex questions, provide accurate answers, and even learn from interactions to improve their responses over time. This level of sophistication ensures that customers receive timely and relevant information, making their interactions smooth and enjoyable. In restaurants, robots like Flippy are even flipping burgers and preparing meals with consistency and speed. Flippy, designed specifically for the fast-paced environment of a kitchen, can handle repetitive tasks with precision, ensuring that each meal is cooked to perfection. This not only speeds up the cooking process but also maintains a high standard of quality, allowing human staff to focus on more complex and creative aspects of food preparation. Beyond the kitchen and customer service desks, service robots are also making strides in other areas of the hospitality industry. Robots are now delivering room service, ensuring that guests receive their orders promptly and accurately. Automated check-in kiosks are reducing wait times and streamlining the check-in process, while cleaning robots are maintaining the cleanliness of hotel rooms, ensuring a hygienic environment for guests. In retail, service robots are assisting shoppers by providing product information, guiding them to the right aisles, and even managing inventory. These robots can scan shelves, track stock levels, and alert staff when items need to be restocked, ensuring that customers always find what they need. By taking over these routine tasks, robots allow human employees to focus on providing personalized service, and creating a more engaging shopping experience. The healthcare sector is also benefiting from the integration of service robots. These robots assist patients by delivering medication, providing companionship, and even helping with physical therapy exercises. They ensure that patients receive timely care and support, reducing the workload on healthcare professionals and allowing them to focus on more critical tasks. The presence of robots in healthcare settings is enhancing the overall quality of care and improving patient outcomes. As technology continues to advance, the role of service robots in our daily lives is set to expand even further. From hospitality to healthcare, these intelligent machines are transforming industries and redefining the way we interact with technology. The future promises even more innovative applications for service robots, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Agriculture is another sector benefiting from robotic innovations. Agricultural robots, or agrobots, automate tasks like planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring. Equipped with sensors and AI, these robots optimize farming practices, increasing yield and reducing resource usage. Drones are also used for aerial surveys, providing farmers with valuable data on crop health. Autonomous vehicles represent a significant leap in robotics, with self-driving cars leading the way. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are at the forefront of this technology. These vehicles use advanced sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. The future of transportation is here, promising reduced traffic accidents and increased mobility. Robots are also essential in space exploration. Rovers like NASA's Perseverance are exploring the Martian surface, conducting experiments and searching for signs of life. These robots are designed to withstand harsh environments and operate autonomously, making significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. From enhancing industrial processes with precision and efficiency, robotics has revolutionized the way we manufacture goods. Industrial robots are now capable of performing complex tasks with incredible speed and accuracy, reducing human error and increasing productivity. These robotic arms tirelessly assemble products, ensuring consistency and quality in every piece. To exploring distant planets, robotics innovations have taken us beyond the confines of Earth. Robotic rovers on Mars are a testament to human ingenuity, navigating the harsh terrain and sending back invaluable data. These machines are our eyes and hands in space, pushing the boundaries of exploration and discovery, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From healthcare to agriculture, advanced robots are making significant impacts. In hospitals, robotic surgeons perform delicate operations with precision, while in fields, agricultural robots help in planting, monitoring, and harvesting crops, ensuring food security and sustainability. As technology continues to evolve, the advancements in robotics are becoming more sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives. Futuristic robotics development is paving the way for smarter, more autonomous machines that can learn and adapt to their environments, making them indispensable in various sectors. The potential applications of robotics are limitless. From autonomous vehicles navigating our streets to drones delivering packages, the versatility of robots is astounding. They are transforming industries, enhancing efficiency, and opening up new possibilities that were once the realm of science fiction. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of robotics innovations. We hope you have gained a deeper understanding of how these incredible machines are shaping our future and the endless possibilities they bring. Through the world of robotics innovations, from the factory floor to the far reaches of space, robots are making their mark. They are not just tools, but partners in our quest for progress and innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content from TechThrills. Stay updated with the latest advancements in technology and robotics, and be a part of our growing community of tech enthusiasts. For more exciting content from TechThrills, your support helps us bring you more in-depth coverage and insights into the world of technology. Let's unlock the future together. With your curiosity and our dedication to exploring the cutting edge of robotics, we can discover new horizons and create a better, more innovative world.